Hi guys, today I'm going to show how I'm going to do shape of slime. What is shape of slime? Shape of slime, it's I just bring it in my mind, so I call it shape of slime. And how we can, what's the things that we're going to use, how to make shape of slime. So let's get started showing you how to make shape of slime. Honey, of course we need slime. Oh, and of course we need it. We need shapes like this butterfly and this. I don't know what it is. It's the shape. It's not different. And also butterfly, purple, no, blue one. Yeah, blue. We need a green. No, blue with green and pink gummy. I mean bear. So that's the things we need. Oh no, and this one. Because when we make shape of slime, we need it because we want us to stop slime. Okay, so let's just put it there. And I'm going to adjust this up. I put 2 into 1. Okay. That other one. Whoa. Okay, I put it. Now we're going to put the slime over. Here's the slime we're going to put. Oh, it's so good! It's so nice to play with slime. It's so like it's really slimy. Oh, there's one piece over here. Let's hold that. It's so good to play with slime. Oh my god. It's so nice. Yeah, it's so nice. I'm going to put it here because my bed will become dirty. It's so nice. Okay, so I had to bring some tissues to put it here because my bed is will be dirty. Okay, to bring them this. Okay, so so here's the slime. So here's the slimy. It's so slimy. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to do a gummy. It will be gummy bear with a blue gummy bear. Then going to bring a slime over here. No, I'll put it here. Okay. Then I'm going to put it here. Wow! I'm going to. Oh, shit! No, it's over here. Now I'm going to move that. I'm going to move the slime up here. It's not working. No, it's okay. No, it will work. I know it. Now with the butterfly. Let's put the slime up here and do the butterfly. Okay, so let's remove the slime. I'm going to cook it and eat it, the slime. I'm just kidding. I'll never eat a slime. It's not good. Okay. No, the gummy slime, it's will ruin my gummy slime. No, it will not ruin. I knew it. It will not ruin. So last thing, it's a heart shape the slime. I'm going to put the heart shape over here. Put it everywhere. The gummy slime. So I put it easy, easy, never crazy. And now I'm going to. Oh, there's this. I'm going to put it here. Okay, now I'm going to show you the shapes. Wait. Here's the shapes. This it. Okay, now it's time to remove them. See the heart shape? The heart shape. It's ruined! I love it. And the gummy. It's ruined! I'm going to put it here. Butterfly ruined. Put it here. And there's a little bit slime here. To use that. Now let's do with that big butterfly. Let's get started. Here is that red butterfly. We're going to put the slime inside over here. All the slime. Let's get started. Uh, I want to see. No, all the slime just go. Okay, I got this. Let it bite. I don't. Big butterfly! Oh my goodness! Big butterfly! I'm going to eat it. Oh, mama. Gummy butterfly! I'm joking. I will never eat it. It's disgusting. But it's will be so nice. Just see the shape. No. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to keep it here. I don't want it to ruin. I'm going to show you the slime. The butterfly slime. No. Okay. No! What it's happening to me? Now let's get started to remove our disgusting things. It's time to remove them. To play with our hands. Oh, slimy. It's so nice. Oh, slime. Baby slime. Ah. I'm joking, I will never eat it. See. My hands. I wanted to play with slime. So, I'm going to put them over here. Oh, the slime and the bed. Oh, the bed. Oh my god. I'm going to put a bit of slime. I'm not going to ruin it. I'm going to make a bit of slime.